Tired of giving the same old boring gifts? Halifax gift cards are your ticket to gifting freedom. Today we're diving deep into how to snag these versatile cards, unlocking a world of shopping possibilities for you and your lucky recipients. First up, let's talk physical locations. The Halifax Shopping Centre is your primary destination. Head inside and look for customer service kiosks or designated gift card sales areas. These are usually brightly lit and easy to spot. You can purchase gift cards directly from a representative. What makes these cards so great? Well, Halifax gift cards are widely accepted at most stores and restaurants within the Halifax Shopping Centre, making them incredibly convenient. They're perfect for birthdays, holidays, thank you gifts, or just because. Now, for the digital enthusiasts, check the Halifax Shopping Centre's official website. Many shopping centers offer online gift card purchasing these days, allowing you to buy and even personalize your gift card from the comfort of your couch. Look for a dedicated gift card section, usually under services or promotions. Once you found the gift card section, you can typically choose the amount you want to load onto the card, add a personalized message, and select either a physical card to be mailed or a digital card to be emailed. Digital cards are super handy for last-minute gifting. Whether you choose to buy in person or online, Halifax gift cards offer unparalleled convenience and flexibility, so ditch the guesswork and give the gift of choice. Happy shopping!